Jenny was a single mom working 2 jobs to support her family. While she loved her 3 children, she rarely had time to sit down together. One night she came home exhausted, but her kids asked her to read a bedtime story. Jenny made herself a cup of coffee and cuddled up with them to read. She watched as their nights lit up, fascinated with the tale. They asked for another book, then another. Her weariness faded, replaced by joy in this simple but magic moment they were sharing. Jenny was reminded of the importance of making time to read with her children, even when life seemed too busy. Read to Your Child Day on February 14th encourages parents and caregivers to read with their kids. Studies show reading together strengthens relationships, enhances literacy and cognitive skills starting from infancy. The pandemic has highlighted the essential role of caregivers in children's early development. While educators work hard to promote reading, children often read at home less. Established in 1997, Read to Your Child Day aims to raise awareness about the benefits of reading together as a family. Despite its name suggesting a singular child, it promotes reading with all children in one's care. The importance of Read to Your Child Day cannot be overstated. Reading together is one of the most influential gifts we can give children. It sparks imagination, expands understanding, and fosters a lifelong love of learning. It also offers an opportunity for meaningful interactions when we explain what the story means or answer a child's questions. Kids who are read to from early age tend to read earlier and have better language skills. Reading together regularly can help address the literacy gap and prepare children for school. It is a free, fun, and powerful way to nurture healthy child development in all areas. People celebrate Read to Your Child Day in simple ways. Parents and children pick out books together to read throughout the day. Libraries and schools organize family story time events. Social media campaigns share photos of people reading with children using the hashtag #ReadToYourChildDay. Getting a head start on reading over the summer or holidays is a perfect way to observe this occasion. Ultimately, the goal is to inspire families to make reading an enjoyable part of their daily routine and for children to develop a passion for books. By fostering a love of reading together today, we are shaping a brighter future for all children tomorrow. February 14 is Read to Your Child Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Read to Your Child Day. Cheers!